This is not a test. The following message is being transmitted at the request of local authorities. At approximately 16:42, multiple emergency reports confirmed the presence of an unidentified entity, now being referred to as the Ultimate Monster. This entity has been observed exhibiting the following characteristics: extreme height and abnormal movement patterns, ability to rapidly adapt to surroundings, severe distortion of nearby electronic signals, hostile behavior toward any living presence. Authorities are urging all civilians to stay indoors and lock all entry points, turn off exterior lights and avoid windows, do not attempt to approach, observe, or interact with the entity. If you hear unusual sounds outside, remain silent. Do not respond to any voices claiming to be familiar. If contact is made, do not engage, run, hide, do not look back. This message will repeat until further notice.